Hey guys, welcome back to today's video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you a wonderful AI tool that helps you turn text into beautiful infographics. So basically, this tool helps you to give you a visual representation of your ideas. So if you have a very scattered thoughts about a particular topic that you're working on, you can use this tool, which is going to help you organize and manage your thoughts in a very structured and visually appealing manner. Now, the tool is called Napkin, and did I mention it is free? Now, all you need to do is to sign in using your email address, and you can start using this tool for free. You can start by signing in with your email address, and once you sign in into this tool, you're going to be led into your dashboard. Now, you have two options. You can either start with a blank space where you can just copy your pre-written script somewhere and then paste it in here, or you can use their AI writing assistant, which is going to write. Maybe you can just give it a topic and ask it to write for you, and you can then generate a visual representation of that particular write-up. Now, I'm going to be starting with a blank script or with a blank space because I already have a pre-written script somewhere. I'm going to just copy it and paste it in here. Now, I'm going to be starting with a blank page. So I'm going to go at the top left-hand corner here and click New Napkin. Now, if you're just using this tool for the first time, you have an option where you either start writing with a blank space or you start by using the AI tool. Now you can choose the blank space and it's going to lead you to the same blank space where you can now copy your text and paste. Now, once your text is in here, the next thing to do is to go ahead. We're going to select a particular section of our script where we want the tool to analyze and then give us a visual representation of it. And if you take a look, as you select it, you're going to see the line. It shows that is the selected section of the script that we want it to give us an infographic. Now, just beside, you're going to see this little blue icon, and that is where we're going to click, and it's going to be able to generate the diagram or the visual of our text, right? So when you click on that, it's going to take some time to analyze it and then give you the diagram. Now, as you can see, this is the diagram it came up with. You can see a title here. If you look on the left, you're going to see some other options, right? So it doesn't give you just one, it gives you so many different options. You can see the little blue line. You can just scroll down and you're going to see the different options that it gives. You can select from the multiple options right here. Another thing is that when you select a particular diagram, it gives you more variations of that particular diagram. Like this one, you can see the different variations here, right? You can select from them. I'm going to select that one. And then another thing is that you can edit everything that's on this diagram, right? You can edit the text, you can change the colors, you can change the fonts, you can change the size of the text, right? To do that, you're going to select the image and click here to ungroup it, and then we can now click on the individual sections of the diagram like this, and then come to this color icon here. You're going to see these options pop up and you can change the colors of the text. You can also change the variations up here by just dragging your arrows across like that, and you can do that for each sections of your diagram. Go now to the title. To edit the title, just select it and then you can bold it. You can change the fonts of the font size. You can also edit the title if you want to change the title, or if you don't like what the AI has written for you, you can change it up and you write your own title. You can change the font size, and to change the font size, you just need to select it. I'm going to go back here where it says AI, right? You can change to large, extra large, to medium, or to small, right? You can change the color of the title as well. So it has all the options where you can change the style of your text, of your title text. You can also change the background of the text. Come here and you can see the different background options. You can also give the text a background color like so. Now, once you're done and you like your diagram, you can export it. Just tap on your diagram and you're going to see this download button. Click on that. Now, as you can see, you can only export in the PNG format. That is because I'm on a free account right now. So if you're also on a free account, you can only export your documents or the image as a PNG. If you want to export as a PDF or an SVG file, then you need to upgrade to their paid plan. You also have the option to export your diagram with or without a background, and you can also turn on the background color. You can export it in a dark mode or in a light mode. You can also export as a higher resolution. So all the options are there. You can just turn it on and you can click the download button, and your diagram is going to be downloaded, which you can use and add it to your presentation. We're going to go ahead to the different sections of the text and generate an infographics. So I'm going to be following the same procedure. Select the text and click the blue button, and it's going to analyze and give us an infographic or a diagram. And then we can select on the left the different options available and choose the one which best suits us.